What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Fiance, and I am here starting off the year right with a good old hair video. Today I'll be using CHEBE powder. I don't know how to pronounce it. Right here I'm showing you my freshly washed and combed out hair. I'm doing a slight length check because I want to keep you guys updated on how things go with this powder and me just taking care of my hair for real this time. So this is me showing you guys the powder. There's a hole right there because my son decided, hey, I want to break something of my mom's as usual, but it's fine. So it comes in a package like this, and as you can see, it has a very dirt-like consistency. It also has like a weird smell. It kind of smells like cigarette butts. So here I am showing you guys what I will be mixing inside of the powder to give it that pasty, muddy-like consistency. What I just showed you was like my leave-in conditioner I use, also like an anti-breakage lotion, that's what it is. I'm putting lots of that in there to get the consistency that I want. Next, I'm showing you a mix of oils that I use for my family and I. It has carrot oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, almond oil, a wild grow hair oil, and something called placenta oil. It's said to have actual placenta oils in there. I know that sounds gross, but if you think about it, it really does help development for small children and things like that. So I think it'll be good. I'm mixing it with a plastic fork, one, because I don't have a spoon, and two, because I wasn't sure if it was like the Himalayan Aztec clay where you can't really use metals with it. So here I am showing you guys the mixture. It actually doesn't smell as bad once everything is mixed in there. Mine is a little bit more watery than some of the other people's that I've seen, but it's still that good muddy consistency. I will be taking little sections of my hair and braiding it because I've seen people use twists or whatever, but I prefer to braid it just to make sure that it's really locked in and that I'm receiving, you know, as much the product as I can and all of the moistures and oils that I added. I'm taking this amount. It doesn't look like much, but it is going to coat the entire section that I want, and I did end up having enough product to cover my whole head and a little bit extra as well. A lot of people say that you're supposed to leave this in like 5 days or whatever, but I've also seen people say that they've left it in for like a month. So I think for me, I will try to see how long I can leave it in, because my goal ultimately is just not to touch my hair, minimal styling and things like that, just so that my hair is actually getting healthy first before I start trying to expose it to outside environments and air and things like that. So I'm just going to demonstrate one more braid so you guys can see. Then I will come back and show you the end results. Oh, also guys, before I forget, I wanted to come back and mention that you do not put this at the roots of your hair because it is a heavier product and you want your hair to, yes, have length retention, but you don't want to put it at the roots because that's where your hair grows from. So you don't want it to be too heavy so that it can actually flourish how it's supposed to. Alright guys, so here I am showing you my finished braids. Putting this powder in, it was almost like it completely absorbed the moisture and the shrinkage. Yes, I still have a little bit of pullback, but not as much as I usually would with freshly washed hair. My shrinkage was almost minimal putting this powder in my head, because usually my braids would be shrunken up until my head, like until my scalp, I mean. So here I am showing you the oil that I showed you earlier, and this I will be applying all over my scalp to, make sure that it doesn't go dry, and also promotes growth and a healthy scalp, so that this powder, can actually do its job. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I try to keep it really short and sweet, and put a little bit of information in there as well. I will try, actually I'm not even going to say that, it's a new year. I'm going to try to be more active and actually keep my promises and stuff like that, because last year I was you know what, I think the issue was I got pregnant. So what I'm going to do for myself and you is not get pregnant this year. Okay. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will most definitely keep you guys updated on the progress that is happening. I can already see that the CHEBE, I don't know how to pronounce it, so if anybody knows how to pronounce it, tell me how to pronounce it. Put the little what is it, phonetics or something? Yeah, put that in the comment section below if you're seeing this video. Like I said, I try to keep this video short, and I will try to keep you guys updated on how everything is going, but I can really see that it is, like I said, it was supposed to do length retention and stuff like that, and this will probably help me be able to wear my hair out naturally in styles that I actually like, instead of it shrinking up all the time. So yeah guys, like I said, I will talk to you later, and this year we're going to be better, more posting, all that type of stuff. So anyways,